Hi, so this is the first 5-minute SEO audit. So this is the site, and let me quickly show you what I found. So a disclaimer, I'm doing the audit as I'm recording, so this is not going to be like that super deep as if I were to crawl the site, execute JavaScript and stuff like that. So this is like, I want to show you how much I can find within those 5 minutes, but I'm pretty sure it will take longer because, yeah, I have problems like sticking to that amount of time I have. The same with articles. I always plan to keep them short, and it never kind of happens. Okay, to the point. So let me reload the page because, yeah, I can immediately see, like, just with scrolling the homepage, that there is a lot of JavaScript. I'm pretty sure there is. So let's disable JavaScript in Chrome and see actually how much content, what elements are loaded with JavaScript. So let me quickly disable JavaScript, and we'll see, and we will see. Okay, let's reload the page. Okay, as you can see, it looks like everything is with JavaScript. The page like won't even load without JavaScript. So let's enable JavaScript again and reload the page one more time. And yeah, so this is like, if I saw this, if I were to audit the site, the first thing I would like to check is whether the site is rendered correctly by Google and whether its content is actually indexed by Google. It may or may not be, depending on how it's built and whether, for example, links are present both in the rendered and both in the rendered and source code. So let me quickly like do a quick check, the quickest check I can do. Like, let's copy this sentence and let's see whether this Google can see that content. So let's append site here, so that I will be checking the results only from that domain. And here in quotation marks, I'm adding this precisely this sentence. Okay, it looks like Google is able to see that, at least that sentence. So if I were to, as I said, to do a full audit, I would check like everything, whether everything is indexed, any content. So I can do that either using Google Search Console by just inspecting the URL, or I can also use mobile friendly test, which can also show me the rendered code, the code rendered by Google. So let me quickly do that. Google mobile friendly test. And why am I Googling that tool? Yeah, because I think everyone is. So let me quickly check. This is what I would suggest doing, just to be sure that actually everything is indexed. You can also do that using GSC API. Crawl the site with Screaming Frog using GSC API, and you can see the rendered HTML and the page is usable on mobile. That's great. View tested page, and here I can see the screenshot. It looks like Google is able to see that. So here is like the rendered HTML. So my task is now to check the HTML, whether all the content that should be here is here, whether links change. There are a lot of tools you can use that will help you compare both the rendered and the source code, including Sidebulb, Screaming Frog, whatever. So I think that would be all regarding JavaScript. Let's now get back to actually like analyzing the site. Let's get back to analyzing the site. So let me quickly see, for example, here. Let's scroll down. Who we are. See more. Immediately I can see that this is a low quality link that does not really carry a lot of message. These look better, but here again, see more. So let's go to services and see the services pages, the services page. And here, yeah, we have those sub pages: user experience, design, development. As you can see, we are linking through the same anchor text, how we can help, which is very, very, very uncool, because we are using the same anchor for 3 different pages, and those anchors are like totally not relevant to what we want to rank for. So those anchor tags should be something with development services somewhere, whatever, design the same, user experience the same. Here we are using generic anchor tags that do not like help Google understand what we actually want to rank for. So this is another, I think, important thing. Let's switch to blog. So here what I can see, the categories are, or everything is loaded with JavaScript. Again, it's important to know that JavaScript, Google does not click on links, Google does not interact with the site, Google does not scroll, and those elements to be seen, they require interaction. So another side note regarding JavaScript. And yeah, finally, let's check the speed, I think, because we're running out of time. Google page speed insights. Let's quickly check the speed of that website. I'm pretty sure it will have some issues regarding JavaScript. So largest contentful paint is not passed. Time to first byte. So Core Vitals not passed. Let's see what else this tool will show us, and we'll be able to see. Okay, time to interactive, total blocking time. So these are like JavaScript related things. Reduce unused JavaScript. As you can see, there is definitely a lot JavaScript optimizations to be done. So I would say that's the main point from speed. And then okay, so I think that will be it for this website. If I were to do an in-depth audit, I would make sure to render JavaScript for all pages, compare, make sure everything is visible, make sure the links stay the same in the navigation. Everything is kind of, all the SEO best practices are kept, are not like broken because of those JavaScript functionalities. So yeah, I think that's all for this website, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.